Hello everyone, my name is Jon Reyes. I'm a professional athlete and a full-time content creator. And today I'm going to give you 5 tips on POV action video. Tip number 1, prep the night before. It's all about capturing the moment, right? So you want to be ready. So charging all your gear, getting everything set up, planning what gear you want to use for the next day. You don't want to be behind with battery. It's always good to bring extra batteries and other gear that you might need for your adventures the next day. Tip number 2 is be ready and think fast. Most of the time when you're shooting action, you can't plan every move. So you want to be ready. You want your settings on your camera to be ready. Most cameras will have presets that you can kind of gauge where you think you'll start for the day. It's always good to have a can't go wrong setting. A very general setting that could capture any moment, regardless of what position you're in. Give yourself some general settings and give yourself a general mounting position. I like to use a chest or head mount to start off. There are plenty of other accessories that can help you adjust to your daily adventures. Tip number 3 is to be mobile. You don't want anything holding you back. You don't want to jeopardize more time than you need to by carrying and repacking things more often when you have to get the shot. The moment is now, and being mobile definitely caters to that. Think of it as you're a superhero and you need your utility belt to be ready at all times. Tip number 4 is to have multiple mounts. To have options is always good. There are plenty of different mounts you can get for most action cameras. The ones I like to use are the chest mount, head strap, and third would be the handlebar mount that I mount on my handlebars or the pegs of my scooter. Figure out a few ideas, see what mounts suit you, and get all your gear loaded and ready. And tip number 5 is to script the concept. Don't script the shot. When shooting action POV, 50% of the shot is usually not planned. You have an idea, you have a motive, that's all you need. Prep the idea, prep the motive the night before, figure out what you want your message to be, and get out there and accept what comes to you. Getting the first 4 tips locked in will help this 5th tip play its own role. When I go out there and film, I have an idea on what I want to show my audience, and the idea is the truth. And the truth is that you never know what the day is going to bring you, and being ready for the day is always most important. My name is Jon Reyes, and this is 5 tips for POV action video. I hope this video helped a lot, and thank you for watching.